Oh shit. So jump, touch and uppercut. Yeah, jump. Jump, ear gas, anything, uppercut, down to grab. What is? Back again, people, it's your boy King James. Back again with another Mortal Kombat video. I know it has been a while, people, but guess what? We're out of PlayStation Plus, bruh. Our PlayStation Plus expired. So we were out for like a month. Well, it hasn't been that long though, but like seriously though. We were broke. We couldn't get PlayStation Plus. Curse you, PlayStation. But right now, as you know, can see on the screen, if you can look carefully, see right there, so right there underneath the looking, the star boy there, so yeah, you see learning. Now the aim of the video today is to put learning on all our characters that we can use online, and it's gonna be like a troll. So we're gonna play like bots, and then we're gonna play like we can really play the goddamn game. You know what I'm saying? People, this is gonna be so fun. And please don't look at me differently because I'm not gonna try and troll. Well, I'm gonna try and troll, but let's see what we can do in this video. And stay tuned. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh no, buttons! Stop it! Ah! Why am I sleeping like a bitch?
Round 2.
Oh, that's not safe. What? Ah! Ah! Come here! Ah! How do you play like a bot? It's hard. No, stop it! Stay far from me. Get away from me. Get away from me, bro. Ah! Stop it. Stop it. Stop it, bro. Stop it. Leave me alone. Ah! Ah! Get away from me. Go away this way. Ah! It's so funny.
Why are you running?
Oh no, I'm dead. He's gonna kill me. Oh, this is funny. I swear to God. Oh, am I dead? Stop it! Oh, I won! Oh, I won!
Yeah, boy.
I won like a bad. Oh, it's so weird to play like a bot. No, leave me alone. Oh, come on. Oh shit. Okay.
Really, nigga?
I'm dead. You gonna brute me? You gonna brute me?
Finish him.
Oh, you didn't brute me. This nigga Murphy? I gonna brute you, bro. Hey! Hey! Ah! It's so easy being a troll, I swear to God. It's so easy being a troll, bro. It's so easy being a troll. And it's so hard at the same time. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go for rain. Let's go for rain.
Cooler. Cloudy with a chance of.
This one I'm genuinely learning though, so we may have a chance.
One. Fight.
Damn. Ah! Yeah! No! What the hell? Ah! Oh, this nigga do the same thing. Ah! Whee! 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 He grabbed me. Ah! Watch out, man. This nigga crazy.
Round 2. Fight.
Woo! That's what we like, bro. Ah! Woo! Okay, let's see the combo. Oh, this nigga thinking click. Ah! Don't do it! Don't do it! Ah! Woo! What the hell? Ah! Ah!
Finish him.
Don't do that!
Mercy.
This is coming! Ah! Woo! Ah! Ah! Woo! Oh, he fought my leg. Ah! Ah! Yeah, this is good. I like this. I like how he's playing. It's funny.
Final round. Fight.
Oh my god. I can't break. I know I can't break. That's a kick. Whoa, the fast battle. Oh, it's a hot match. Oh yeah, no, yeah, idiot. Hey boy. Oh, he got me. Oh, for a sec I was slightly serious. Okay, let's get serious now, people. Be the damn goat. I'm not gonna stop calling you a ram goat, bro. You look like a ram goat. I swear to God. Kitana, brother. Yeah, I forgot to know some Kombat. Let's eat. Hold it off. Hold it off. The Flying Dutchman.
My day I know the Flying Dutchman.
Rich kids in the building, I know a problem.
Time to troll them and nothing normal.
You see me? We active.
Oh, yeah.
Sure there.
Warm ground.
Sector's House of Horrors.
Run, what's that with? Run.
Fight.
Active. Yo, your mind now. You play like butts. What up, brother? I'm to that Kitana. Yo, the one bag of jump in the dog. Yo, I'm to the ear gas. You know, it's the ear gas. You punk cannot eat the right way in the dog.
Really, nigga?
You know, eat the right way, you know. Yeah. Right name, forward 2, forward 1. What that? I don't know. It's something you're pushing in front of them. with the something. I don't know what them call it. Yo, people are tuning off to play like that, so that's why. yo, watch ya.
Be jumping.
Yeah, so just to be a jumping, be a madness. Yo, when I want a butt to the face guitar, I know I get it from your mother. Yeah, I'm gonna do. Lucky my black. Yeah, jump, ear gas, anything, uppercut, down to grab. Yeah, jump, ear gas, uppercut. Yo, do you like how you do it online? Huh? Yo, jump, touch and uppercut. Yeah. Me have to teach him, people. Yeah, no, that not bad, that good. Yeah. Watch out. Alright, I can't make them know so we can play a seat. What is? What you do? Shit. Alright, we're going. Start playing serious now. Let's see, ready? We're never ready for that. You're not dead yet. Oh, what that better? That ping there? What that ping there? Yeah, ready. Wait. Yeah, you done. We're not done yet. We still have to play like bots. What to wait? Yo, mercy no. What the mercy?
Akita na this no. Yo,
Spider bro.
Oh, you do the trolling thing, how you do? Random, no man dash, random jump on.
Are you a character, you know? You ask me off a troll?
I true, I never do them thing, man. The best way of a troller with character, we don't know. Yeah, peeps!
No, tell lies.
Round 2. Kabal.
Flying Dutchman! You don't know.
Oh, look at. Oh my god.
Boy, rich kid say it's unfair.
Boy,
so we have to play like a bots.
Yeah, man, that's how we have to play now.
Yeah, man.
You see it, homegrown.
That's what the video is about, people. We're not taking this serious.
Oh, we have to confuse them with random attacks, random moves, random. You see it? Random inputs. Can't read me. I play like a human being, them can't read me. I play like a AI man unpredicted. You see it? So I go jump back.
You jump back.
Do that.
You remember saying can port, you know?
Alright, I go do that.
Remember saying can port?
Alright,
so
do that.
So not too much jumping.
Alright.
Let's start playing a serious. Uppercut.
Yeah.
I tell you uppercut.
Alright, I play like the bat. And I play like the bat.
Yo, don't run for uppercut, dog. Yeah. Hey, I'm tell you don't run for uppercut. I mean, shut up, uppercut, grab. Yeah! Come on. Alright, I do the YOLO jump. We did. YOLO jump. Uppercut. Just YOLO jump. Just hold up. YOLO jump.
Alright. YOLO jump.
YOLO jump.
Jumps.
Jump.
Jumps.
In my port. No, man. Yo, grab him, messing up. Jump. Yeah. Alright, YOLO jump. Backwards. Alright, YOLO jump. No, forward. There you go. Yeah. There you go. I'm telling you, don't run for uppercut, dog. Yeah. Just like that. We're playing like amateurs, people. It's so fun. Watch out. What do you think? We might be bats, but we're not stupid. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yo, make him catch you that, you know. My boss, I jump out, die away. No, that. Watch out. Man, I'm black. People, you see what happens when you play like bats? Grab him. Look at this monkey. I'm kidding. That's racist. Okay. My spear. Yeah, man. Read it like a book. Even though we have to play like bats. Alright, trouble now. You're serious, my dead. I ain't catch you. Yeah, man, you're dead. What you do? No, man. That one was a perfect back move. Ninja boy, serious. I grab him. I lie. I never read that right. My bad. Oh boy.
I'ma tell you down two down, a ramp for down two. Uppercut. Oh, you didn't know. Mercy no? Yeah, mercy no. Jaja.
No, sir. You don't mercy for.
Jaja. You see what happens when you play like a boss? People, they respect you.
Feel nice to them, I like it.
Yes, eat.
That's him. Can't manage him gameplay. Not
people.
tell him, man.
People, I
He
think
gets
that's.
afraid.
I say one more.
No, man. It's a good. The man
Peeps,
gets afraid.
I guess that's it for the video. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. If you do, put a like on that button for us.
Please, people, subscribe.
Please, people, subscribe
share,
to the
and comment.
Jamaican Trio.
Let
Share.
us know what kind of content you would like.
Is it me? And we do appreciate the love and support that you guys have shown us to reach
Shout out to
182
begin very
subscribers.
soon. Don't worry about it, guys. One
Is
mality,
it
no
from
dance.
the Jamaican Trio. We're out in up, peeps. One love.
All right.